The Demon Fault. It's a transverse type fault, meaning it moved horizontally rather than vertically, and it runs all the way from the Queensland border down to Dorrigo, about 400 kilometres at least. It's visible clearly from space, and it's a place that's always inspired me to go and have a look at it. Now, I've crossed it many times, but I wanted to get down into it, and this was my first little trip to see if there was a way down there. Let's see how I went. There's the road I live on. It's called the Bruxner Highway, and off that road is a track that goes down into the Demon Fault, something I've mentioned in the past. So I'm going to pop down there and go down that road and go into the fault. Fuck me. What a fucking jerk. Fuck me. Wow. Beautiful. 42 degrees. Well, it looks kind of dry where I'm going, that's what I'm hoping. It's been going for over an hour through rain. It's got bloody cold though, I tell you. I think it's probably only about 10 degrees out here, which is cold for me at the moment. But it might get up to between 15 and 20 a bit later on, that's what I'm hoping. Basically a road out in the rain and the fog. Pretty much hoping that it would stop after Casino, which it didn't, but it did stop after the first set of ranges, the Richmond and Hogarth ranges, which we've just gone over, and it looks pretty dry inland. But we'll keep going, see how we go. Fuck you! Yeah, a quick toilet stop, had a quick coffee. I'm at the start of Clarence Way North section. Got to keep on heading up the mountain. Now, my destination for the start of my adventure is at the top of the mountain, and it's looking dry that way, looking wet where I came from. Hopefully it'll stay that way. Alright, let's go. Radio. It's fucking raining now. So I think I'm going to have to abandon my ride into the fucking demon fault. If I go down some, I know it's very steep, drops 400 meters. If I go down there on a little dirt track and it rains heavily, I won't get back up. That's if I get down in one piece. So I don't know, I might stick my nose in the road a little bit. It's going to be a shame, but I just needed to get out for a nice long ride anyway, and certainly have. Oh well, this is it in a nutshell. This is where I was going to go. At least this was part of the way down there. Alright, there's a long, probably simple road along the top of a ridge, and then where you descend, I'm not sure I'm going to do it. I'm pretty sure I won't, the way the weather's closing in. But I think I can have a little look down here without causing any harm. I do like being up in the high country. I think this is Timbara Road now, maybe, unless I'm lost, which is always possible. Dry weather road only, Middle Creek Road. So you can kind of see, oh wow, into the Demon Fault now, which is basically a huge valley created by a couple of million years of erosion after the fault line was created when the east section of the land slipped about 30 kilometers to the south. We're on the west side of the fault. We're heading roughly east, and I could just see down into a deep valley there. The first road I was going to go down is also part of the Bicentennial Trail. Now, I've been wondering about that for years, and lots of bikers say, oh yeah, look, you can ride the Bicentennial Trail. So I looked up the rules about it, and no you can't. It's not for motorized vehicles at all. It does use some bits of public road, etc. But yeah, it's essentially it's for trekking and horses and mountain bikes and the like. But anyway, yeah, the first road I was going to go down turns into that, so I'm not sure how far I would have got anyway. Demon, oh, Jesus. That was it, Demon Creek Road, okay. We'll turn around and go and look at what that sign says. Jesus Christ, it's slippery. No, that's that pea gravel, isn't it? That's big fucking spoon divots and things that make cranky come off. Okay, no through road, dry weather road only. Yeah. Leave you here, Falco. I'm gonna go for a little walk. Have a look. Righto. Dry weather road only. It's pretty dry at the minute, but the weather seems to have followed me from the coast. And up in the mountains here, the weather can come in very quick. So I'll have a little look here. It looks like it does drop. It drops 400 meters to the bottom of this valley. That's probably not a good idea. But it'll be great to check it out. Come back sometime. When it's not so cold, when it's not wet, when it's not hot. Probably in the spring. Starting to see why the road is dry weather only. Steep bit here, plateau there, then I can see it drops after that. So I could do this. I'm just not going to be foolish enough to risk it with the weather coming after me where it is. See if we can get a good view up here and maybe show you with the little camera. Alright, so we're looking west. That mountain range there is the other side of the Demon Fault, which goes from about 100 kilometers north to about another 300 or 400 kilometers south in this part of the road down there. Nice looking bluff over there. Rightio folks, yeah, I'm calling it. Another rain front is coming in. Let's get head home, have a bloody nice day out the bike, find some places to come back and explore probably under better conditions. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you ride safe. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.